Hello, welcome back to IELTS IQ. Today we're not looking at something related to IELTS. Instead, we have some pronunciation practice where we will look at a body of text and read along together, okay? So get a pen, get a notebook, and let's get ready. Okay, on the screen you can see the vocabulary we will look at today, and let's go through the words together. So at the top we have inherit. It's a verb, to inherit. Inherit. Next we have inspire, to inspire. I hope you're copying the sounds as I read these words. Next, admire, to admire, admire. To motivate, motivate. Okay, very easy, that one. Next, a noun, scholarship. Have a look at that SCH, scholarship, scholarship. Generosity, generosity. If you want the American sound, generosity, generosity, generosity. Next, another noun, qualities. So, qualities, qualities. Loyalty, l sound, loyalty. Next we have another noun, honesty, honesty. Remember, we have a silent H sound. We do not say honest, no. O, on, okay. Honesty. Next, we have an adjective, ambitious. Ambitious. Are you ambitious? We have another adjective, valuable. It's got a lovely V sound, valuable. And the last one here, sincerity, sincerity. If you would like the American, sincerity, sincerity, sincerity. Okay, let's get into the text. Helping others and the qualities that matter. Okay, I would like you guys to occasionally, sometimes pause the video and you can practice your pronunciation as we go through, okay? Helping others and the qualities that matter. Speak slowly like that and focus on the words. Have you ever heard about someone who made a big difference in the lives of others? Okay. Not heard. No. Heard. Heard. Not different. No. Difference. Difference. Sound, okay? Not lives. No. We need this I sound. Lives. In the lives of others. Okay. There's a story about a woman who inherited millions of dollars from her aunt. Okay, so here you can see we have that word inherit, and I have it with an ed, which means it's a past form. Inherited. That ed will give us the id sound. Inherited. Inherited. Practice. Not million of dollar. No, we have millions of dollars. Okay, don't forget your final S sounds. Instead of keeping it all for herself, she decided to help people. ED again, decided to help people. Again, we have that id sound. Decided. She was watching a TV show about needy families, and it inspired her to act. Okay, let's go through. Needy families. Inspire, we have inspire with that D at the end, and that will give us a D sound. Inspired her to act. Act. So we have a act. Okay, so we need that sound. Act. Okay, I hope you're practicing. She set up a scholarship program to help motivated students. Scholarship, one of the words we looked at the beginning, and we have motivated. So we looked at motivate as a verb. Here we have the adjective form, motivated. We're using this as an adjective to describe the students. Practice it. Motivated students. Sounds really good, right? And yes, of course, we have the id sound. Motivated. Then she used the money to pay for their college tuition too. Okay, so we have tuition. This is the fee, the money we pay for college or university. College tuition. Tuition. Her actions showed just how generous and kind-hearted she was. Okay, let's break this up. Actions. Actions. Remember, we have that K, that T, and now we have shuns. Actions. Showed with a D sound, right? We get that duh. Let me drop this down. We get the duh sound for showed. Just how generous. You can practice stressing that word. Just how generous and kind-hearted. Hearted. Kind-hearted. Hearted. Id sound. Kind-hearted. Practice it. This story makes us think about important qualities like generosity, honesty, and loyalty. A generous person gives freely, just like the woman in the story. Okay. Remember, honesty, no H sound here. A generous person gives freely. Don't forget your ly, the adverb, freely. An honest person always tells the truth, even when it's not easy. Okay, tells the truth. You can go slowly here. We have 3 T sounds, and that's kind of hard. Tells the truth. So that TH right at the end. Truth. It's kind of hard, right? Tells the truth. Loyalty is another valuable quality. It's about standing by someone, even in difficult times. Okay, make sure you don't forget the S, times. We have that word we looked at the beginning, valuable, valuable quality. We also admire people who are motivated or ambitious. They work hard to reach their goals and inspire others to do the same. Motivated or ambitious. So this TI sound will give us a sh, ambitious. And then we finish it with a s, sh, s, ambitious. Make sure you practice that sound. Reach, ch at the end. Reach. Make sure you have a lovely CH. Ch. But it's not just about big actions. Even small acts of kindness or sincerity can make someone's day better. Okay, you can see again, actions. And here, act with an S, small acts, acts. This is a hard pronunciation. Go slowly. Acts, acts, acts. Small acts of kindness. We have sincerity, which we looked at the top of the page. Make someone's day, not someone day, someone's day better. When we help others, we don't just make their lives better, we grow as people too. Okay, their lives, not lives, remember that I sound, their lives. So think about this. What can you do today to show generosity or honesty? Again, generosity, honesty. How can you be more loyal or modest? Here is a nice word you should write down and go and find the meaning. These small choices show what kind of person you are. Choice with an S. Choices. Choices. The woman's story reminds us that being generous and caring can change lives. Not woman's story, woman's story. Not remind us, reminds us. Okay, don't forget the G, okay? j. Change, change, j. Change, a soft G sound. Similar to the J in job, j, job. A soft G gives us that J sound. Change. Maybe you can do something similar one day. Remember, the qualities we practice every day are what truly define us. Okay, let's not forget our practice, practice, qualities. And one phrase to finish with, define us. Write this down, go and find the meaning. Okay, so please go back through the video, go over any words that you find difficult and practice them. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope this helped you in some way. Please give me a like and comment down below what topics you would like to hear or speak next. Goodbye.